Um, Good afternoon, respected examiners and everyone present. My name is Vanessa Angelika and my college number is 1062329. Today, I would like to present my final project entitled Aplikasi Android berbasis Computer Vision untuk deteksi kedaluarsa produk pangan kemasan menggunakan YOLO versi 11 dan ML Kit on device. Or in English, the title is an Android-based computer vision application for packaged food expiry date detection using YOLO version 11 and on-device ML Kit. This project or this research was conducted under supervision of Mr. Ricky Afriansyah as the first supervisor and Mrs. Putri Armilia Prayasi as the second supervisor. Okay, to begin with, this research addresses the issue of household food waste. According to the National Waste Management Information System, or SIPSN 2025, household activities contribute about to 55.79% of total waste generated in Indonesia, making household being the largest source of waste. And one possible contributing factor is like poor food stock management, as consumers often forget to check their products' expiry dates before consuming packaged food products. So the products is becoming food waste. And in addition, expiry dates are usually printed in small fonts, have low contrast, and appear in different formats in their package. So it's making them difficult to be located and read by a person, especially for the elders. As a result, expired product may be consumed unintentionally or discarded after their expiry dates, that making increasing both health risks and household food waste. Therefore, an automatic solution is needed to assist users in detecting and reading expiry dates more efficiently. Okay, to address the last challenges, XP-Track was developed as an Android-based application for automatic expiry date detection. This application is integrated YOLO version 11 and Google ML Kit to recognize the detected text. So, YOLO version 11 Nano is used to detect the expiry date region, and then the Google ML Kit is used to recognize the detected text. And all of this processing is performed directly on the Android device using an offline first approach. So this application is full offline and no need any connection of internet. And in addition, XP-Track also provides food inventory management and expiry reminder notification. Okay, this research focuses on three main aspects. First, developing an Android application that capable of automatically detecting and recognizing expiry dates. Second, to improving OCR performance through image preprocessing and regex normalization. Uh, Third, integrating expiry date detection with food inventory management and automatic reminder application. So, this project research scope is limited to the Android an with an offline first approach, and then using YOLO version 11 Nano and Google ML Kit, and then support common numeric expiry date formats only, and focus on packaged food products like plastic, cardboard, and metal cans, and then tested on 50 packaged food samples using Android 10 or later. Okay, this research follows the AI project cycle, which consists of 6 stages. So the process begins with problem scoping, followed by the data acquisition, and then data exploration for the data set preparation, and then next the model of YOLO version 11 nano will be developed and evaluated using standard object detection in modeling stage. For the evaluation, for the YOLO evaluation will be evaluated using standard object detection like confusion matrix, precision, recall, MIP 0.5 and 0.5 to 0.95. And then finally, the trained model is deployed into an Android application and evaluated through user acceptance testing. Okay, this slide is represent the use case diagram of exhibit track, which this application is allow users to scan food products, detect and recognize expiry dates, and then save product information, manage food inventory, receive expiry reminder notification, and view the product list, and also view the scan history. So these are the features are integrated into a single Android application to support household food stock management easily and effectively. Okay, this slide shows the wireframe of XPTrack that illustrate the main page of the application, include the home page, and then this is the scanning page, and then this is the detection result page. And the last one is the inventory page. And here is also the history page. And this is the setting and many features that I can put in the presentation. And all of this interface was designed to be simple and user-friendly, allowing users to access its feature efficiently. Next, for the data set preparation, a total of 977 images of packaged food products were collected from several retail store in Indonesia in Bangka, including Indomaret and Alfamart, and also from Hypermart in Pangkal Pinang. And the data set consists of flexible plastic packaging, and then cardboard packaging, and also metal cans. And its image was manually annotated using RoboFlow by creating bounding boxes around the expiry date region. Like as we can see, the images here. This is the original image, and then this is the images after getting bounding boxes and notation in RoboFlow. And after that, the annotated data set was then divided into three part. The first part is training, second is validation, and the third is testing test set. Before this data was used to train the YOLO version 11 nano model into application. Okay, next, this slide illustrates the overall workflow of the proposed system. The process begins with image acquisition using the smartphone camera, uh, and then the capture image is processed by YOLO version 11 nano to detect the expiry date region, and then after detected by the YOLO, it will be cropped, upscaling, rescale, and then we'll going to the Google ML Kit. Google ML Kit is used to read the text, like extracting the text that from the cropping images, and then finally regex will normalize extract the expiry date into a standard format, and the result is will be stored in a local SQLite database to support food inventory management and a reminder notification. So here is three stage. If there is three filter on the camera, if the first filter cannot giving outputs of the date, you can the users can use the other filters. Like there is three filters. There is grayscale, solid sharp, and dot matrix. And then for the last process, if all of the that already get like these already get the outputs of the test, the users can input all of the food product information and then store it in database. And also the users um, can manage the notification. So if the expiry is almost getting near, the application will notify the users that this product is almost expired, like that. And then next, for the model development, after the dataset preparation stage, the annotated images from RoboFlow is used to train the YOLO version 11 nano object detection. Several training parameters, including the image size, bit size, and then the number of epoch, and were configured to achieve the best detection performance. After training, the best performing model was converted into TF-Lite or TensorFlow-Lite format to being easily deployed to an Android devices. Okay, for the model evaluation, the trained model was evaluated using a standard object detection metrics like shown on this slide. The result for the precision is 0.928, or we can say it like the precision is 92% good, and then the recall is 88% good, and the MIP 15 is 0.958, or we can say it like 95%, and the MIP 50 to 95 is 0.600. From this result, we can indicate that the model performs well in detecting expired ingredients on packaged food products. And this is the metric also saying that all of this model evaluation is going smoothly. So it means that all of the train process outputs is very good and successfully. Next, it is also the training result. This slide presents additional evaluation result of the train model, with the F1 curve, F1 confidence curve, and then the precision recall curve, precision recall confidence curve, and then the recall confidence curve. Demonstrate that the overall detection performance, while the confusion metrics illustrate the model's ability to correctly distinguish the expiry that region from the background. Overall, from all of this result, we can indicate that the trained YOLO version 11 nano model achieved reliable object detection performance. Next, for this slide, this slide presents several examples of the application performance during testing. For example, the application first detect the expired date region using YOLO version 11 nano, followed by the text recognition using Google ML Kit. And then for this slide is means the YOLO detecting 100% in the right location or the right region of the expired date location. And then this is the ground truth, like the truth expired date from the package, from the food package. And then this is the prediction, or the extraction by the Google ML and the site is the outputs that being normalized format by regex processing. So from this column is to represent about how much the percentage of the truth detection and extraction tags. And then this is the this is the character accuracy. Because of from this column there is one character that read by the Google ML Kit is wrong. So the percentage of character accuracy is become 87.5%. Instead, this column is about the date expire accuracy. So if there is even just one character that being wrong, so this column is become 0% if there's even one wrong. But if all of the number of character is true and same as the ground truth, so the percentage of that accuracy is become 100%. Okay, next from this slide, the integrated system was evaluated using 50 packaged food product samples, and then the result show 96% YOLO detection success rate, indicating that the expiry date region was correctly detected in 48 out of 50 samples. And then the OCR character accuracy achieved 84% character accuracy, while expiry date accuracy just achieved 70%. Because as I've been explaining before. And then most error were caused by low contrast text, and then reflective surfaces, and then curved packaging, and faded dot matrix printed characters. To evaluate the usability of XP track application, user acceptance testing or UAT was conducted with 53 respondents using a questionnaire consisting of 15 statements based on 5-point Likert scale. There is 15 statements based on 5 aspects, and the result the application is achieved an average score of 86.04%, which falls into a very good category from the Likert scale. And then these findings indicate that XP track application is easy to use and effective for detecting, storing, and monitoring expiry date information. The conclusion, XPtrack was successfully developed as an offline first Android application using YOLO version 11 Nano and Google ML And then the proposed system achieved a 96% detection success rate, 84% accurate character accuracy, and 70% expiry date accuracy. Furthermore, user acceptance testing resulted in an overall score of 86.04%, indicating that the application is effective and well accepted by users. This slide presents the documentation of implementation and testing activities on canteen and on food culinary, or we call it OMKM. The application was tested using real package of food products, and user acceptance testing was conducted with participants to evaluate the application functionality and usability in real world condition. Then for the demo, it will be presented here. Okay, this is the application. First, you open. Okay, this is the homepage design, and then this is for the product list. This is for on how to using this application. All of the methods is here, and then this is the settings page, and then this is the camera scan. Okay, if we're using the application like this, the scan on the expired dead reagents. Click it and it's loading for a while. Okay, we got the result. The result is the product reagent will be annotated by the bounding box automatically. And then on this side is the result. For the filters, there is 3 filters: grayscale, solid sharp, and dot matrix. The users can use it and use each filters if the first filter is not giving an output of the text. As the product condition, if the product have so many noise of the package, users can use solid sharp, and here is show the product result after pre-processing using the filters. Here is by using filter grayscale. Here is using a solid sharp and dot matrix. And here is a raw ML kit read. So the extraction by the ML kit is an abstract like this. So it's normalized using a regex. So the result is becoming that formats like this. First April 2027. Okay, here is also the download of the image. Here is also the download. And then if there is no output detection, the users can also using the manual by choosing the date. Okay, then we add it. Then here's the form. So the outputs that will be automatically integrating into this form. And then this is the preview from the last annotated products. And then we can add the name of the product is kway teow. Wow. And it can be near pasta. And then we can just product photos like this. And then click OK. It integrated automatically. If we click it, it can show the full of the product's photos. We also can edit it. And then the quantity example is 5, and then is bungkus, and then we store it in lemari. And then for the notification, uh, the notify management, we can choose three days before the expired date, or 1 day before, or 1 week before, or 1 month before. So it's maximum by choosing two dates. And here is the notes. If I wrote nothing, and then if I choose 1 week before and 1 month before, and then click simpan. So here is the product list. This is the preview. And then if we want to see the detail, just click on the product. It can be shown like this. And then if we want to edit it, we can just choose the pencil icons to edit the products. If we edit it, wah ayam. Store it again, and then the name is automatically become kway teow kuah ayam from before is kway teow kuah. And then choose this menu, the green menu. If we click it, we can, what is it? Like minimize. Like we can mengurangi jumlah produknya. Okay, just input how many food that we want to mines, and then click confirmation. So the product details from the stock is 5 becoming 3 bungkus, 3 bungkus. And then if we want to delete the list product, we can just choose delete. And here is the confirmation. Here is also the category that help us to search by the category. Also search the name. Also, this is the form, the manual form. But it's here also for the camera. Okay, we're getting back to the home page. On the home page, we can see the dashboard summary is load one masa panjang with long-term expiry date. It's green, but if it almost expired, it will be in yellow summary. And if the expiry is less than 1 week, it will be in the red summary. Oh yeah, if we look at the up here, here's a notification. So here is we can see that there is a new product that being added before, like 3 minutes ago, kway teow kuah. And then on here is a product that I've been testing to adding testing before. The name is HSGS, but I've been deleted. And then from this side is perlu perhatian. It means that it will put the products that expired very soon. Like if we try from it, if we added it into tomorrow, click OK, click Store, save it. Okay, and here is on the home page. On the home page, the dashboard summary is become the red one, and then from the side is uh preview preview the product that almost expired. So like that, and this is the expired. So if the expired is already gone, it will be here like this, like in 1 week, in 1 month, like that. Yeah, I think that's done for now. Okay, and then this is how to use the products, like how to use the camera scanner, how to know the format of the date detection, and then what if we input product manually and know the, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry for the lag. And then we're getting back here. Here's the application helper page. And then this is how to know the color indicators and how to minus to stop, decrease to stop. And then this is the settings page. So that's all of the demo. Thank you. Okay, that's all for my final project. It's about an AI application that detected expired region and by using YOLO version 11 Nano and Google ML Kit for extracting the dead text. And this application also integrated into food management inventory. So and inventory and automatically notification. So it helps. It can help a person or uh, anyone that always forget uh, to manage their product expired at home, at cost, or in everywhere. So by this application, I hope it can help more people out there to manage their food. So it can't be a food waste anymore. All that's all that I can say. So thank you for your attention. Bye bye.